This is four-time world champion Rocky Carson, and today we're going to go over the wide angle pass. Let's look at what a wide angle pass is. The wide angle pass is much like a cross-court pass, but what we're aiming for is the opposite side wall, roughly about where your opponent is standing. Hitting the side wall where your opponent is standing will create the furthest distance for him to get to the ball, as well as it'll slow the ball down as it travels towards the back wall. As you watch a lot of the shots I'm hitting in this video, you'll notice that I'm not trying to hit the ball extremely low. I want that ball bouncing roughly behind where my opponent is trying to get the ball. What that does is it forces him back. What the side wall will do is slow the ball down so it's not coming off the back wall. This is a great shot to execute when you have your opponent standing in center court. The other nice part about this shot is it helps get you back to center court. I suggest giving this a try when you're playing your next match, especially if your opponent's staying a little bit too far forward. It'll make it hard for them to recover after each shot. Good luck.